Hello everyone. Today, Vietnam Traveler is excited to introduce you to an ancient dugout canoe in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. A dugout canoe is traditionally carved from the trunk of a large, tall, and straight old tree. With only rudimentary tools such as axes, chisels, and knives, ethnic minority communities in Vietnam's mountainous regions put in immense effort to hollow out the tough tree trunk. The result is a durable canoe capable of navigating rapids and plunging from great heights into fast-flowing waters without sustaining damage. The dugout canoe we are looking at is very old and damaged, so it is no longer used for navigating waterfalls. Instead, it has been repurposed into a unique and creative fish pond, offering a fresh and innovative touch.